This video is a guide on how to run your Nexus node on VPS. So here's how to run your Nexus node on VPS. So step 1 is to use a VPS provider like Contable, DigitalOcean, or Volter. Go for at least 2 CPU cores, 4 GB RAM, and 100 GB SSD. So I have an example here which you can choose. Now step 2 is that deploy Ubuntu 22.4, then connect via SSH using this server right here. Next is you need to update your system. You should input this prompt, then install dependencies using this prompt right here. Then step 4 is you need to download Nexus. Clone Nexus repo is this one. Git clone, and we have the site right here. Then build it using the CD, which is Nexus, which you can see in the screen yourself. And run the node. And start the Nexus Daemon. It'll sync on the blockchain and it can take a few hours, maybe 2. And that's all.